I'm gonna create a real quick video on putting some things on my kayak for you. I tried doing a little bit of research online and I couldn't find much on it. I'm sure if I dug a little deeper I could probably find some stuff, but I just wanted to put some bungee hooks on my kayak, because when I bought this kayak right here, my Lifetime right here, there you go, Tito Lifetime 10-footer, it actually didn't come with a lot of stuff. It had been sitting outside for a while too. People were just getting ready to move and they just wanted to get rid of it. So I got a good deal on it, but as a result, I didn't get much with it. And the bungees that were on there were completely dry rotted out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a really quick video for you and put some of those on here. I already started putting a few of them on right now. You could tell here. I just picked these up at Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm sure you can get them at Bass Pro too, but it comes with a package deal. You get the hook or the bracket here, as well as the fasteners or the hardware to go with it. But that's all it is. And they weren't, there was originally like a hook here, like you could see this one right here, the bungee hook here with one. I believe one was here as well. It's not the same one, but this wouldn't pilot into there, so I had to create my own hole. But you know, for cheap kayak with some cheap stuff on it, it gets the job done. So I'm gonna pilot it first. Like that. Okay, you can see there they are, two little pilot holes, and I literally just did that with the drill bit. I'm sorry, with the Phillips screwdriver head here. That's, I mean, it's the plastic. It's still plastic. It's nothing crazy. You know, it's not. You can get through it with that. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the first Phillips head screw into the first piloted hole and wrench it down. Like that. That's it. Boom. And do the second one. There we go. And like that, it ain't moving. I'm gonna put one more set. Dog in the way. Jump there. Come on. Girl. I'm gonna put one more set, probably like right here and right here at the bow of the yak, just so I can do a crisscross pattern just like I want to back there. Show you a couple of things here real quick. The 1/4 inch in ferrule and stop set. It just literally is what I'm going to crimp them with. Got that. I got the crimping tool and cutter, 9 3/4 inch. I'm hoping that does the job. At the largest one they had at Home Depot. We've got the heavy wall heat shrink tubing. It is 6 inches in length. It's 4:1 shrink ratio, if you could see that well enough. It goes from 5/8 inch to 5 3/32 inch. This is all electrical stuff. Last but not least, I've got the easy cable clips. And all this is at Home Depot. Okay, I got 15 of them here, 1/4 inch or 6mm. And I'm just gonna put these right here because I needed to finish off, you could tell, this section here for the bungee. So I'm just gonna put one right here and one right there. Okay, but all together, this project here, I'll show you really quick. Let me, $43.83 right there at the bottom. Okay, and this is from Home Depot. So this project is really affordable. You want to have somebody else do it, I don't know what it's going to cost, but I know if you get the stuff off Amazon and Home Depot, you know, you're looking at $43 for materials I got here, and then the bungee itself is, like I said, like 15 bucks, like $14.99. I'm going to put it this way as well, and kind of line it up, I guess. This. And like I said, I'm not putting too much effort into this whatsoever or thought. I just wanted to get it on there. Maybe line it up with that one. I don't even think that would be an issue. That'd probably be all right. Instead of putting. Okay. I actually might do it this way first. So I tried getting out on the water today, but it's been crazy. The wind has been gnarly all day long. It's been about a steady 10-knot wind all day. So that's why I'm working on a project instead of fishing. I was just going to try to get out. Today's Tuesday. I was going to try to get out in the yak today and do a little bit of fishing. But it just, I didn't feel safe. It made me a little uneasy with 10-knot winds out of the northeast, and then where I was going to go anyway. And then on top of that, they said there was gusts up to like 18 or 20 knots, and I'm like, there was whitecaps at the boat. I actually went down to the boat ramp, and there was whitecaps. So I'm like, gonna hard pass on that. This is a pain in the butt. I can also bring out a socket if I need to, which I'm about 2 seconds away from doing to make. That's definitely in there. All right, better. Daphne, you stay here. I'm going to start down here and show you guys what I'm doing. Take my 4mm bungee, get your appropriate length that you need. You have to play with the length on it too, like kind of, there we go. So I could probably, yeah, I'm going to shorten this up just a touch, but pretty much there. So let's do, that'll be good. Take these in a second here. I'm gonna put the hardware on this end, and honestly, I only want probably I don't know, 1 inch on both sides, maybe 1.5 inches on both sides. Because remember, I still have the front to do, right? So 1.5 inches on both sides. That might be good enough, because I want the shrink wrap or the heat shrink tubing to go not only around the hardware, but I also want it to shrink around the cord itself too. You guys can see this. I can pull this down a little bit closer. You can see what I'm actually doing here. Like that. So we're gonna cut right there, right there. We're gonna go with it. Hopefully that's the right choice. And then I have this left over to use in the front. Okay, but like I said, before you crimp, make sure you put the heat oh God, I can't even talk. The heat shrinking tubing through it. Now, granted, I am doing this just right now because I don't know how long I need it. So I want to see where I'm at first. Measure twice, cut once, right? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I think this is too small. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Dang. I don't have the right crimping tool here, and I'm not gonna go out and get the right one. I'm gonna try something. So we're gonna see if this works. I don't know if it will, but I got big bolt cutters. I'm not saying it's going to, but we're gonna give it a shot. Actually, I have an idea, which might even be better than this. So I don't completely cut this, but at least I got it started. I'm gonna take this off. Because I can, and I'm gonna bring this. I have to take the other one off too. Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna bring this down here. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see this? No. now? Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna take, yeah, find it first. There we go. I'm gonna take my wood splitter and I'm gonna hammer the crap out of it right in the middle here. So, I don't know, maybe that'll work since I don't have the right crimper. Maybe it worked. Flip it over, do the other side. That actually may have worked. I'm gonna keep going at it though. I don't care what it looks like, honestly. I just want to make sure it holds it. I'll be danged. It might have actually worked. Alright, well, I'm going to keep pounding away at it. Certain different areas on here. Let's put this over now. So, it's really sliding on. It's tight, I'm not going to lie, man. It's going to be difficult fishing it over the line here. But it's working. It's almost in the middle. It's right here right now, so it's almost in the middle. I want it exactly in the middle, so a little bit. That's basically, it's right there in the middle. You can see that. Right there in the middle. I don't know how long this is going to take, to be quite honest with you, because, I mean, it's melting it, but like I said, it's not a butane. But it's melting it, though. Make sure it's all even. Looks pretty good, actually. This might have been one of the more successful projects I've tackled with this thing. Not bad. Man, I'll tell you what, that actually worked out really well. I'm pleasantly impressed with this. Finish this side up here real quick and that'll be about it. Make sure you cut the right one, not the wrong one. This is the other tag. It'll be a bummer if you cut the wrong one. Okay. There you have it. That's it. And I'm going to burn the ends of these so it doesn't fray. So, same thing over here. There we go. That's it. Here and over on this side, like so. Stuff out of the way. Show you this in a second. Completed the bungee on the the stern of my kayak. Go ahead and show you what it looks like here. Perfect. All right. Well, I am getting eaten alive by bugs right now, and I'm not going to put any spray on, so I'm going to be done for the evening doing this. I will tackle the bow of this at a later time, but ultimately, rinse, wash, lather, and repeat. It's the same thing, but that's the whole idea. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them for me. I will do my best to look at them and answer them for you. But like I said, this is a pretty simple project to complete, very affordable. And like I said, I ran into that hiccup with trying to crimp the hardware, and that was the solution, outside the box kind of thing. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thank you for sticking around and watching the whole thing if you did, and hopefully we'll get out and do some fishing soon. But there you go. There's how you put a bungee cord on your kayak.